This is what 16 million pesos will get you a pre-selling condo here at BGC. Hi guys, my name is El from Megaworld Datafort at ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga ino-offer namin na pre-selling condos here at BGC together with the units, layouts, deliverables, at kung ano na pa. Tara, check natin. So this is the unit, 40 square meters studio of Uptown Modern. Guys, this is perfect fit for personal use or Airbnb. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga deliverables natin. So, first deliverables natin, syempre, upon entering, meron tayo ditong washer and dryer. Okay? So, hindi nyo na kailangan buwaba for your laundry and everything. Pwede nyo na yung gawin dyan. Next is your fully functional kitchen. Meron tayong...
Lahat kasama to?
Lahat na naandito is included. Even your built-in microwave oven na pwedeng paginitan anytime. And of course, no, meron din tayong 2-zone burner cooktop na parang touchscreen na rin. And also your range hood. So this is a top European brand, Gorenje. So hindi na tayo mapapahiya dyan. Aside from that, meron tayo mga soft closing cabinets natin. So kung nagmamadali tayo, when it comes to cooking, hindi na siya kailangan pang problemahin na lumagabo. So this is your quartz countertop with a big box type sink na kung saan malalim na rin. Hindi ka na makakabang matalsikan, safe ka na dyan with retractable faucet.
Itong pinlights, isama dito.
Pin lights is also included. So maganda na yung lighting ng kitchen nyo. Magluluto ka na lang. And of course, your refrigerator.
So, 2 doors.
2-door refrigerator na meron na ring freezer and chiller.
Kasama na rin ba itong mga cabinets?
Even na cabinets is also included. So kung kayo ay namang problema ng lagayan nyo when it comes to kitchen, kumpleto na siya. Next naman natin is yung bathroom natin. Bathroom natin is also fully fitted with sanitary fittings. Lahat na naandito is included na siya. Even the mirrors and syempre the glass partition with shower and faucet. This is a floor-to-ceiling ceramic glass. At the same time, your toilet is also included na rin. So, wala ka ng problema dito. Maligo ka na lang and everything. Guys, smart home equip na rin itong bahay natin. Even maiwanan nyo siya, pwede siyang kontrolin to your phone. So, hindi ka na makakamba if ever na merong short circuit. Next is your living and dining area. This is a projected na pwede nyong gawing idea to your future home. Pwede tayong maglagay ng small dining table for each of two of you or sofa bed dito. Ano pa bang kailangan nyo malaman? AC or split type aircon is also included. Malaki na rin yan at pwede nang palamigin yung buong kwarto nyo. So this is your possible TV setup and provisionary table, and guys, the most awaited part, the bedroom. So this glass partition is not included, but this is a good idea kung gusto mo ng konting privacy sa bedroom.
So, pwede siyang full.
Yes, pwede siyang buong takpan, pwedeng walang takip, pero my recommendation, if you want more space, just don't put this one. Now, this is your bedroom. As you can see, this is floor-to-ceiling glass na pwede nyo makita yung view ng Uptown Bonifacio.
Since pre-selling to, meron pa tayong mga choices?
Right now, when it comes to the views, meron pa tayong choices. But, limited na lang yung may offer natin sa inyo. Now, this is your bedroom. At the same time, this is your cabinet with mirrors. This one is included. So you don't need to buy any mirrors na. Dito na lang kayo manalamin at ready to go na kayo. And guys, this is located inside Uptown Bonifacio, BGC. Kagandahan dito, you're surrounded by malls, like Mitsukoshi Mall, Uptown Mall, High Street, and you're very near to BGC High Street. Aside from that, meron din tayo mga schools and offices around the area. So you will have your own captured market if ever nagagawin nyo sa as your personal investment. Guys, anything you need to know about this particular residence, we can talk it privately. Even the amenities, the views, unit layout, unit position, and so on and so forth. For more questions and viewings, just comment down below so I can assist you. Catch you in the next one.